how to eat Vegemite properly.
Unfortunately.
Hi everyone, welcome back to ChloeAdel's channel.
Hey!
So we've seen a lot of videos about people trying to eat Vegemite for the first time and they just do it all wrong.
Yeah, they don't think about what Vegemite actually is.
And they always say, oh, how do these Aussies eat it? Well, we'll tell you some great recipes on how you can eat Vegemite that makes it taste good.
Even for people like me who actually don't like Vegemite.
Also, stay to the end of the video to see Australians eating Vegemite the wrong way. The Australian Vegemite contains B vitamins, it's very healthy, and it's got like this really salty taste.
So no wonder it tastes horrible, it's because it's good for you.
And it is made with not vegetables, not meat, from
Yeast extract.
yeast extract, the thing that makes bread rise.
Yeah.
Which is kind of the reason why it smells a bit like bread. When you first open Vegemite, you look at it and you're like, oh, it looks like Nutella.
But like
it's
a darker version.
Like a darker version of Nutella or some sort of dark chocolate.
And it's like more dense as well.
The taste that you'll expect is pretty much the smell that you're smelling.
I literally can smell it from
It's very strong and very potent. The only way it makes this taste nice is by the butter that you make your food with. And we'll show you that later. The wrong way to eat Vegemite is to scoop it out of a jar.
Don't do that.
And eat it straight. There's nothing worse for an Australian than someone eating Vegemite wrong. If you eat it the wrong way the first time, you'll never want to eat it again.
You won't enjoy it.
I have no idea why someone wanted to make yeast extract a spread, but
Who knows?
yeah. So not all Australians like it, and if they do like it, they only like a little bit. They're not fanatics. We don't have it on every breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. Even though, weirdly enough, there was a Vegemite dessert.
Yeah, they literally sold Vegemite chocolate in our shops.
I don't know how that happened.
Oh, and ice cream.
Oh, no, Vegemite ice cream is amazing.
The things we try in Australia.
Yeah.
Australia.
One time there was tomato sauce ice cream.
Oh, and tomato sauce chips.
So we're just about to make some great recipes with Vegemite. So that way it tastes nice instead of eating it out of a tub, which we'll be doing later. So we're just about to make Vegemite on toast. So what you need is a slice of bread, some butter, and of course Vegemite. And an option, you can put cheese on top of the toast, but that's an option. So as you can see, you just toast nicely, and then we put on some butter, nice amount of butter. We'll get Adele to butter this. Fine. And while she does that and makes the Vegemite toast for this, I'm going to show you another recipe, Vegemite and cheese sandwiches. They are the best!
Okay, even I don't like Vegemite, and I can stomach those. The way she makes it though is probably
I'm not the typical Aussie. I eat it like as if it was Nutella. Okay, so Adele's finished with the
toast.
Yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you how much Vegemite you're supposed to put on
A normal human needs to put on.
So this is how much you're supposed to put on your toast. Even that's a little bit too much if you've never tried it. Try go half. But this is how much you put in your toast.
Do I just spread it?
Yeah,
I don't eat this much, considering. As you can see, it's got dark patches, so that's what it's supposed to look like, I'm guessing.
Now, another thing I've heard about with toast is that they put on some avocado.
Taste might be a bit more.
Also, another option is to put, not with the avocado, but to put fried egg on top of your Vegemite and cheese, Vegemite toast. It apparently is very nice, but I've never tried it. Avocado, so as you can see, there's much more avocado on there than the actual Vegemite. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to finish the Vegemite sandwich. Both sides of the bread is buttered, and we grab the
Vegemite.
Same amount of Vegemite, so about that much again. This is going to taste super weird to me because this is too light. Actually, I'm going to butter it to see how you're supposed to see it, and then I'm going to butter it to how I eat it.
Seriously, the way she butters it is like she puts Nutella on her bread, and it's Vegemite.
So Vegemite is kind of like chili. You don't eat a scoop of chili powder or anything, a spicy object, unless you are used to it. And then you make it more spicy as you go. Same thing with Vegemite. So you start off with something like that, which is very, very, very light.
It's like caramel.
It's like it's a caramel look
That's
to
what
it.
a lot of people say. I'm like, yeah.
But as you can see, this is like 3 times the amount you're supposed to have, and I'm gonna put it on both sides of the bread.
I just like brought myself a bottle of water just in case like something goes wrong.
See, I'm doing it again on the other side.
Okay. I'll definitely be needing
I'm
this.
For a Vegemite sandwich with the cheese, you just get like a normal cheddar. This is cheddar, yeah. Cheddar cheese, and you just put it on top.
I hope the cheese takes away the yucky Vegemite taste. Just with the amount you put on. Look at that! It's like Nutella!
Now this is a great way to eat Vegemite, especially when you're at the beach and you want a sandwich. A Vegemite and cheese sandwich is the way to go. I haven't had this in ages.
That's not normal. I think I could take maybe 3 bites and then that's it. This is horrible! No, I was wrong. This is bad. I can't even swallow.
So we've come to the end of this video on how to eat Vegemite properly. We showed you some helpful recipes that will make you actually love this stuff, not hate it.
Maybe.
Now time for you to watch us Australians eat it the improper way. So, Aussies trying the way everyone else tries Vegemite. Scooping it out of the jar.
Oh no! Mine looks bigger. Come on, just share a bit. Okay.
Cheers. Ready? 3.
My condolences to myself.
3, 2, 1.